Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this a small video about crude oil, updating crude oil. I made a video yesterday showing my weekly chart and daily chart of my analysis, and I said that it's going to go up and I'll take the trades if I find my entry. So here's this is the chart that I showed yesterday without this candle. This current blue bullish candle is the current week candle, right? So it was here yesterday. I lost the chart that I saved on the 11th, but they are in the video. The last video you will see these charts. And after that, I don't know if I saved them or not, or just disappeared somewhere. Anyway, so this has started to go up. The daily chart was like this without this candle. My chart was here like that. This morning star formation, and nice and clean, and start to go up. And I found the setup, and then I took the entry. And let me show you what is the entry, and the trade is this. So you see, this is a buy order right there. Now in this one, I didn't move my SL just to show that how my entry at the time of the entry. What do I do is that when the price is coming down into the wave, and the price, I mean the setup, sorry, the setup is like my yellow line is above the black line, the thin black line, right? And the price comes here inside in this area with the red candle, and then coming out with a couple of blue candles, reversal candle and a couple of blue candles. I open the trades, which is right here. This dotted line is my trade open line buy order, and my SL is always right below the last low or the current low, which is this one, right? So my SL is right there. This line is. So usually this is on the currency pair. It's like 15 pip in here, sometimes like 30, 35 pip. Gold or oil, because they have like more pippage in candle wise. But yeah, and forex pairs always is less than around 25, 24, 25 pip. So if my SL hit, I lose maximum 25 pip. But most of the time, what happens is that the prices start to go up in my favor after the entry, and around 20, 25 pip, I come and sit on a break even. And then, if by chance, if the pair turns and then my SL hit, I don't lose anything. So a lot of times, this is how my SL hit, right? That's how my setup is. Just wanted to share with you guys that yesterday I said that the oil is going to go up, and it started to go up, and this is my first trade. And if it will give me more entries tonight and tomorrow, I will keep taking them, and then I'll keep showing you them. Currently, what's happening is this. All right, so went up nice and clean, and this is where I ended up closing just below this area here, right? So this is what the price always does: the break one area, go above, and then go to the next one. And if it's gonna go above this one, and then it's gonna go to the 79.64. If the daily range allows, and if has more pippage left, then we'll go to 80.61 or 79.93, then 80.61, then 81.87, so on and so forth. This is how it goes, right? So pay very close attention to the daily range, because you see this low to this high was almost like 240 pip, and the daily range of this pair, I mean this oil, is to 238. So when I saw that, I says, man, you know what? Close the damn thing and run, right? And it's still there. It's still moving around here after several hours. So this is what happened. Once the daily range is reached, pair don't move, right? So you have to see wherever your entry is, how much left, and then don't be greedy and then try to get more, because you're not gonna get it. And as soon as the daily range is reached, pair usually start retracing, and then you end up losing the profit. So if you are aware of daily range, then close your trade before daily range is finished. All right, so this is it for now, and a few more trades are running. Let me just show it to you. For example, like this one is pound USD, right? From 7-minute entry right here, based on the 40-minute setup chart. What is that? My 40-minute chart for pound USD is this. Retracement 61%, and one reversal candle, blue candle, and then I look for the entry in 7. And if I have the 7-minute setup, I take it. Same story. The entry is right there, right? And then my SL was previously here, and then when the price went up, I moved my SL to break even plus 5, 6 pips, 7 pips. So if the SL comes back and hit my SL, I don't lose anything, right? And it's a free trade now. But if it goes right from here to the upside, this pair has daily range around 100 pip. So I have a shot at the full 100 pip for today. I mean, tomorrow, Tuesday. And plus the 30 pip so far from here to here, 35 pip, right? So this 35 pip and 100 pip, let's say, or maybe 90 or 100. So I have a shot at 120, 130 pip trade, which I will show you tomorrow if this pair goes all the way to the upside. All right. This is how I, use my setup and the trade. So if you like what you saw, you want to get the system, you want to be a part of it, then you can go to my website here and subscribe either monthly or yearly or, one-on-one or trading robot. It's all there, and previous trades, everything is there. Look at it. And this is my Telegram channel where you see this. I posted the oil making a long on 20 minute, and then I made the video and posted here that this is how it is. This is the trade right here, right? And it went up all the way. All right, so this is it for now. This is this is a chart, not the video. So I'm gonna I'm making the video right now, so I'm gonna post that as well. That's what happened, right? So just wanted to share with you guys. So this is it for now, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get the videos as soon as possible. I'm gonna update gold after this. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.